If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to gaming. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty website or social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Call of Duty completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Clear cache. For console players, power down your console completely and unplug it for a few minutes. This can help clear the cache and resolve connectivity issues. Step 5. Relink accounts. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to the platform you are using. This can refresh the connection and fix any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your game without interruptions. Happy gaming!